Hey hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video what we are going to do is we are going to write a Python script which will send an email to our inbox Gmail account. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the video. So we are going to use smtplib library in this. So I'll just import this smtp smtplib. And also, if you see, this is the config.py file which I have created, wherein I will store my user ID and password. This is the config.py file. So I have created two variables, email address and password. So you need to pass your email address, which you need to use for login, and also the password over here. Okay, so we will be referencing this file in email underscore send.py, which is our main code file. Okay, so I'll be importing that also, config.py. Okay, let me save this. Then we need to create a variable wherein we'll fill the subject. Okay, so let's say sending an email. Via Python. So this will be the subject of our email. Then I need to write a message. Okay, so let's say hello, this mail is via Python script. Okay, let me save this. Then we are going to say server equals, so this is a variable which I am creating where I will pass the server details. Okay, so server equals to smtp lib dot smtp. Okay, and inside this we need to pass the server details which is for Gmail. So smtp dot gmail.com colon, and over here we need to pass the port number. So 587 is the port which I will use as I need to send an email to my Gmail account. Okay, then we need to say server, which is the variable we just now created, server.hello. So what does this statement do? So this statement, what it does is like it communicates with the mail server. Okay, then we have server dot start tls. So this command we need to use. So the purpose of using this command is like it upgrades this plain text connection which we are writing to a TLS connection, transport layer security. So that's why it says TLS stands for transport layer security, so it's for security purpose. Then we need to say server, which is the variable we created, dot login, and in this we need to pass the login information, which is the email ID and the password. Now since I told you at the start of this video that I'm going to pass the email ID and the password from this config.py file, so what I will do is like config dot email address, which is the variable I created in that file, also config dot password, which is the variable for password. Okay, then in the next we are creating this message variable. Over here we need to pass the subject. Okay, so this is the format which we'll be using, so stating that this will be the subject. Okay, then we need to give two slashes. Then again this dot format we will use. Format we will pass the subject. Okay, then the message variable in this. So this is done. Then we come to the next line. Okay, let me save this. Server server dot send mail. So now we'll send a mail. So we have provided the login credentials, then we have created a variable where we have a formatted subject and the message embedded into it. Then we will now send a mail finally. So over here it will be like, if you see, send mail has from, to, and the message. Okay, so from, I need to send it from my own email ID, so I'll say config dot email address, to, which will be my email ID only, so again email address. Okay, then we need to pass the message, which is the variable, which is the formatted variable for the message we created, this one. Okay, so now once this is done, and the message is being sent, we need to quit the server connection which we have created. So this is a quit one. Okay, and once the message has been sent, just for us notification, we will say like email sent successfully. Okay, let me save this. So this code will work in case the email is being sent, but what if the email is not sent? Okay, so what I will do, I will just embed this code in the try block. Okay, and accept. Okay, we will print email sending failed. Okay, so this gives us an idea whether the email is sent successfully or not. Okay, so now the code is ready, but before that let me show you one thing. Okay, so you need to go to myaccount.google.com/less-secure-apps. Okay, so this is the link of your which you need to go, and you need to select these settings like allow less secure apps on before running this code. So if you have this on, then only the mail will be sent. Okay, so now since we have the code ready, let me save this and run this. Okay, so if you can see, we have received email sent successfully. So if I go to my Gmail account, I refresh it. So the subject is like sending an email via Python, which we gave, and hello, this is a mail via Python script. Okay, let me change the subject. If you see, testing an email via Python. Okay, let me run it again. Email sent successfully. I go back to my browser, I refresh it, testing an email via Python. Okay, so I hope you have got an idea like how to write a Python script and what are the commands which we use for sending an email via Python script. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, do give a like and subscribe to my channel for more such video. Till then, take care. Thanks a lot for watching.